Welcome back. Looking out for your health tonight at 5. Spring is here, the sun is out, flowers are blooming, but people are sneezing and eyes are watering. As great as this season may be, it can be difficult for those with allergies. Since some of the symptoms of both allergies and the coronavirus can be similar, it also makes us worry. So is there a way to tell the difference?
The sun came out and so did the buds. And the buds on the trees have pollens, these small little grains that the immune system responds to as a danger. And when they do, they release histamines.
That's what causes the sneezing, the itchy eyes, and the runny noses. But before we worry that our seasonal symptoms are something more, we have to take a moment and assess what's wrong.
There is a difference in these infectious diseases versus allergies.
COVID will cause more issues with your whole body, so listen to what it's trying to tell you.
Fever, body aches, chills, cough. Allergies are much more localized. Itchy, watery eyes, runny nose, sneezing. So there is certainly a way to differentiate these two.
And if you do have any of the more severe symptoms, don't wait to get help.
Immediately you should notify your practitioners. If you don't want to go to the office, you can do telehealth visits these days.
Because if it isn't allergies that are ailing you, you still want to do your part to stop the spread of coronavirus.
We see at the light of the tunnel with regard to this infectious issue, pandemic and COVID. Let's get in the end zone and don't spike the ball before we get there. Pay attention to what's going on. We need to be aware the virus is still in our community.
Dr. Milton says that most people who suffer from seasonal allergies and asthma know it's coming and have treatments at home. But if you do need some relief, you can get over-the-counter antihistamines at the drugstore.